Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's lesson, we're going to learn 50 essential English vocabulary words for the workplace and office. Whether you're starting a new job, writing emails, attending meetings, or talking with colleagues, these words will help you communicate clearly and confidently. I'll explain how and when to use each word and give you two practical examples, so you can start using them immediately. Before we begin, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe so you never miss an English lesson. Let's get started.
An assignment is a specific task or piece of work given to someone, usually with a clear goal and a deadline. In the workplace, assignments can be daily tasks, projects, or special duties. You use this word when referring to work responsibilities you are expected to complete within a certain time frame. Example 1. I received an assignment to prepare the sales report. Example 2. The manager gave her a challenging assignment. An agenda is a list of topics or points that will be discussed during a meeting. It helps participants stay organized, know what to prepare for, and follow the discussion effectively. You use agenda when planning meetings or asking about the topics to be covered. Example 1. The agenda for today's meeting includes budget and project updates. Example 2. Please review the agenda before the team discussion. A client is a person, company, or organization that receives services, advice, or products from a business. Use this term when talking about customer relationships, contracts, or communication in professional settings. Example 1. We have a meeting with our top client tomorrow. Example 2. The client requested changes to the project design. Collaboration is the process of working together with one or more people to achieve a shared goal. It emphasizes teamwork, sharing ideas, and combining skills. Use this word when talking about joint projects, teamwork, or co-working situations. Example 1. Effective collaboration improves productivity. Example 2. Collaboration between departments led to innovative solutions. A conference call is a phone or online meeting where multiple participants from different locations communicate simultaneously. It is commonly used in remote work or cross-office discussions. Use this word when referring to virtual meetings. Example 1. We scheduled a conference call with the New York office. Example 2. Conference calls save travel time for remote teams. A contract is a formal agreement between two or more parties, often legally binding, detailing responsibilities, terms, or conditions. Use this word when discussing agreements, legal obligations, or business deals. Example 1. The company signed a contract with a new supplier. Example 2. Read the contract carefully before you sign. A coordinator is a person who organizes activities, events, or projects to ensure everything runs smoothly. Use this word when describing roles that involve planning, scheduling, and managing logistics. Example 1. She is the project coordinator for the marketing campaign. Example 2. The coordinator scheduled all the team meetings. A deadline is the final date or time by which a task or project must be completed. It is important for prioritizing work and managing time effectively. Use this word when discussing due dates or time-sensitive tasks. Example 1. The report deadline is Friday afternoon. Example 2. Meeting deadlines is crucial in every job. A department is a division within a company that handles specific functions, such as HR, finance, or marketing. Use this word when referring to company organization, team structure, or responsibilities. Example 1. I work in the finance department. Example 2. The HR department handles employee recruitment. Documentation refers to written records, instructions, or manuals related to work or projects. It helps provide clarity, maintain consistency, and serve as evidence for decisions or actions. Use this word when referring to reports, guides, or official records. Example 1. Proper documentation is necessary for project approvals. Example 2. Keep documentation of all client communications. Efficiency is the ability to complete tasks in a timely and accurate manner while minimizing wasted effort or resources. It's commonly used when discussing productivity, workflow improvements, or performance optimization. Example 1. Using software tools improves efficiency at work. Example 2. Efficiency in team tasks ensures timely project completion. Feedback is information provided to help someone understand how well they are doing and how they can improve. It can be positive or constructive and is often used in performance reviews, project updates, or coaching. Example 1. The manager provided feedback on my presentation. Example 2. Constructive feedback helps employees grow professionally. A goal is a target or objective someone wants to achieve. Goals guide planning, motivate teams, and provide measurable outcomes. Use this word when discussing targets, results, or future achievements. Example 1. Our goal this month is to increase sales by 10%. Example 2. Setting clear goals helps focus team efforts. An incentive is something offered to encourage or motivate employees to perform better or achieve specific outcomes. It can be financial, recognition-based, or benefit-related. Example 1. The company provides incentives for high sales performance. Example 2. Bonuses are a common incentive to boost productivity. Initiative is the ability to act independently, take charge, and solve problems without waiting for instructions. Use this word to describe proactive behavior in the workplace. Example 1. She showed initiative by solving the problem herself. Example 2. Taking initiative can help you stand out at work. An interview is a formal meeting where a candidate is evaluated for a job. It's also used for client meetings or assessments. Use this word when discussing hiring processes, job applications, or evaluations. Example 1. I have a job interview tomorrow morning. Example 2. The HR team conducted interviews for the new position. Leadership is the ability to guide, inspire, and manage a team effectively. Leaders influence decision-making, set directions, and motivate others. Use this word when describing management or supervisory roles. Example 1. Good leadership improves team performance. Example 2. She demonstrated leadership by resolving the conflict quickly. A meeting is a gathering of people to discuss work-related topics, make decisions, or share information. Meetings can be formal or informal, in person or virtual. Example 1. The team has a meeting every Monday. Example 2. Meetings are important for sharing updates and ideas. A mentor is an experienced person who guides, advises, and supports someone less experienced in their career or skills development. Use this word when discussing guidance, training, or personal development. Example 1. My mentor taught me how to handle client presentations. Example 2. Mentors provide valuable career advice. An objective is a specific result or outcome that someone or a team aims to achieve. Objectives are measurable and guide work efforts. Use this word in planning, reporting, or goal-setting discussions. Example 1. Our objective is to launch the new product by June. Example 2. Every task should support the main objective of the project. Outsourcing is the practice of hiring an external company or individual to perform tasks or services. It is used to save costs, access specialized skills, or increase efficiency. Example 1. The company outsourced IT support to a third party. Example 2. Outsourcing can reduce costs and improve efficiency. A presentation is a formal explanation or display of information to an audience, often with slides or visual aids. Use this word when referring to reports, proposals, or sharing knowledge with a group. Example 1. I prepared a presentation for the client meeting. Example 2. Presentations often include slides and visual aids. Productivity measures how much work is completed in a given period of time. High productivity indicates efficient use of time, skills, and resources. Use this word when discussing performance, output, or efficiency. Example 1. Using project management software increases productivity. Example 2. High productivity is valued in every workplace. A promotion is an increase in rank, position, or responsibility within a company. It reflects recognition of skills, performance, or experience. Use this word when discussing career growth, achievements, or job advancement. Example 1. He received a promotion to team leader. Example 2. Promotions are based on performance and experience. A proposal is a formal plan, suggestion, or offer submitted for approval. It can relate to projects, budgets, or strategies. Use this word when discussing recommendations or business planning. Example 1. I submitted a proposal for a new marketing campaign. Example 2. The proposal was approved by the management. Recruitment is the process of finding, attracting, and hiring new employees. It includes advertising jobs, screening candidates, and conducting interviews. Example 1. The recruitment team interviewed 10 candidates today. Example 2. Recruitment strategies help attract the best talent. A report is a document that summarizes information, progress, results, or findings. Use it in professional settings to communicate clearly with supervisors, clients, or team members. Example 1. Submit the monthly sales report by Friday. Example 2. The report highlighted areas for improvement. Resources are materials, tools, or personnel that help complete tasks or projects effectively. This term is often used in project planning or management. Example 1. We need more resources for this project. Example 2. Human and financial resources are critical for success. Responsibility is a duty, task, or role that someone is expected to manage or take care of. Use it when describing obligations, accountability, or assigned work. Example 1. My main responsibility is client communication. Example 2. Taking responsibility shows professionalism and trustworthiness. A schedule is a plan that shows when tasks, events, or activities will happen. It helps organize time and prioritize work. Example 1. I updated the project schedule for next week. Example 2. Following a schedule helps meet deadlines efficiently. A staff meeting is a gathering of employees to discuss work-related issues, updates, or plans. It is usually led by a manager or team leader. Example 1. The staff meeting will review last month's performance. Example 2. Staff meetings are scheduled every Monday morning. A strategy is a plan designed to achieve a long-term goal or solve a problem. Strategies help guide decisions, actions, and priorities in the workplace. Example 1. The company developed a new marketing strategy. Example 2. A clear strategy helps guide team decisions. Task management is the process of organizing, prioritizing, and tracking tasks to complete them efficiently. Use it when discussing productivity or workflow organization. Example 1. Using apps for task management improves productivity. Example 2. Task management ensures nothing is forgotten. A team leader is someone who guides, coordinates, and supports a group of employees to achieve goals. Use this word when describing leadership in small teams. Example 1. The team leader delegated tasks for the project. Example 2. A good team leader motivates and supports their team. Training is the process of teaching employees new skills or knowledge required for their role. It can be formal workshops, on-the-job learning, or coaching sessions. Example 1. New staff attended training on company policies. Example 2. Continuous training improves employee performance. Workload refers to the amount of work assigned to or expected from someone. Managing workload efficiently is essential for productivity and avoiding burnout. Example 1. My workload has increased this month. Example 2. Managing workload efficiently prevents stress. A workplace is the physical or virtual location where work is done. It can be an office, home office, factory, or online platform. Example 1. Safety in the workplace is very important. Example 2. Remote employees can work from their home workplace. Workflow is the sequence of steps or processes followed to complete a task or project. It helps ensure efficiency, clarity, and smooth task execution. Example 1. We improved workflow to reduce errors. Example 2. A smooth workflow increases efficiency and productivity. Evaluation is the process of assessing performance, progress, or results to understand strengths, weaknesses, and areas for improvement. Example 1. Annual employee evaluations help identify strengths and weaknesses. Example 2. The project evaluation highlighted areas for improvement. Negotiation is a discussion between parties aimed at reaching an agreement on terms, conditions, or deals. It requires communication, compromise, and problem-solving. Example 1. The manager led a negotiation with a supplier. Example 2. Negotiation skills are essential in business deals. Networking is the process of building professional relationships to exchange knowledge, support, and opportunities. It helps with career growth, partnerships, and learning. Example 1. Networking at conferences helps find new clients. Example 2. She spends time networking with colleagues in her industry. A job description outlines the tasks, responsibilities, and required qualifications for a position. It helps employees understand expectations and guides recruitment. Example 1. Read the job description carefully before applying. Example 2. The job description lists key skills needed for the role. A policy is a rule, guideline, or principle established by a company to regulate actions, behavior, or procedures. Example 1. Company policy requires employees to submit reports weekly. Example 2. HR explained the leave policy to all staff. A procedure is a step-by-step method or process to accomplish a task or ensure compliance. Use this word when describing operational or systematic work practices. Example 1. Follow the procedure for handling customer complaints. Example 2. Procedures ensure consistency and quality in work. Report writing is the process of preparing formal documents that communicate information clearly and effectively. Use this term when discussing documentation, analysis, or communication skills. Example 1. Good report writing is essential for business communication. Example 2. She attended a workshop on report writing skills. The recruitment process is the series of steps a company follows to identify, evaluate, and hire new employees. It includes advertising, interviewing, and onboarding. Example 1. The recruitment process includes interviews and reference checks. Example 2. Streamlining the recruitment process saves time for HR. A performance review is an evaluation of an employee's work, achievements, and skills over a period of time. It guides promotions, development, and feedback. Example 1. Annual performance reviews help set future goals. Example 2. Feedback during performance reviews motivates employees to improve. Job satisfaction refers to how happy, content, or fulfilled someone feels in their work. High satisfaction often improves performance and retention. Example 1. Employee recognition increases job satisfaction. Example 2. Good work-life balance contributes to job satisfaction. Telecommuting or remote work is working from home or another location outside the office using digital tools. It emphasizes flexibility, productivity, and self-management. Example 1. Many employees prefer remote work for flexibility. Example 2. Telecommuting requires strong time management skills. Work-life balance is the ability to manage professional responsibilities while maintaining personal life and well-being. Companies often promote it to reduce stress and increase employee satisfaction. Example 1. The company promotes work-life balance for all staff. Example 2. Good work-life balance reduces stress and burnout.